Yes, Tesla stock is correcting and it looks like we are heading towards our next support levels. Is this a bear trend? Well, short-term speaking, yes. However, mid-term speaking, Tesla is still very bullish and it is also reversing the long-term bear trend. Therefore, as long as the bull trend persists, any pullback in this major trend is just a buying opportunity. So stay with me as in this video I will share all the technical reasons that support this bullish thesis, what could possibly go wrong and frustrate our reading, and of course, what to expect next. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Daily chart, mid-term speaking, Tesla found a top level over here just after doing a false breakout of the $262, which is this gap area over here. So this gap was officially filled and right now we are correcting. We see a very strong support area around $237 because this key point was a previous top level on November 2022, and right now the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, is right there as well, meaning what we see here around the 237 is a particularly strong dual support level made by two important lines. So right now, in my humble opinion, Tesla is about to retest this dual support level. Will Tesla's price find a support level in this area? Probably, but I don't know. I can't tell you guys for sure, but if we do, I do believe we're gonna see a very nice opportunity to buy if we see a bottom signal confirmed around this area. Now, Nathan, what if we actually lose this dual support level? Because there is no guarantee that Tesla's price is going to stop there. You are absolutely right. There is no guarantee, nothing is guaranteed in this market. So, what if we actually lose this support level? I see Tesla seeking the $217 next, which we are going to talk about later. Right now, keep in mind, Tesla is correcting because the broad market is also correcting. We see the S&P dropping sharply since June 16 over here when we found a top level, and to me, we are just trying to retest the 21 EMA next as well. Tech stocks are having a very hard time right now because the Nasdaq index just hit a particularly strong resistance level around 15.2K, which was a previous top level from March 2022, and we did a very strong top signal. We did a dark cloud cover, so right now tech stocks are just correcting because we found a very strong resistance over here, and right now we are trying to retest our next support level, which is the 21 exponential moving average. So right now, this is not a rocket science. Right now, since the broad market is also correcting, I see Tesla correcting as well. However, while the short-term trend is still bearish because there is no bottom signal confirmed, Tesla is not doing anything meaningful right now. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that we just triggered a lower high, lower low, so yes, it is a bear trend, short-term speaking. However, mid-term speaking, Tesla is still very bullish because we have been doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows. As long as we see this pattern going on, the trend will remain bullish. Only if we see lower highs, lower lows, then okay guys, Tesla right now is turning bearish again. Probably we are going to lose the 217 and we are going to engage a bear market again. Now, why is the 217 so important? Because if we look at the weekly chart, this key point was the previous top level over here from February 2023. This red line was nothing more, nothing less than one of the most important bullish pivot points we have seen on Tesla in the past 2 years. This is not as important as to follow me on Instagram because I am posting every single day. I'm posting very interesting stuff. Today I opened a question box on my stories so you can ask me anything. Ask me anything over there and I will answer you, alright? So follow me on Instagram, Nathan Black, the Finance Hydra, this is me. Now back to Tesla's weekly chart, we see many bullish signals over here. First, we saw this bullish flag chart pattern, which we just nailed, right? We nailed this pattern over here. We did an upwards breakout, and right now we are just flying. We broke the 217, which on the monthly chart is a crystal clear bullish pivot point, is a crystal clear higher high, higher low. It is doing a higher high, higher low, and by closing the month of June above 217, Tesla will just confirm this bullish thesis. And right now, recently, Tesla just triggered a classic golden cross pattern. The 50-period moving average is crossing the 200 moving average upwards. That's one of the most famous indicators that right now Tesla is in a bull market, in spite of any possible correction. So in theory, yes, Tesla could easily correct to the 217 area and the bullish bias will persist. We just don't know when Tesla will be a buy again. However, if you want to trade with me, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Take a look at my website for more information and join our incredible trading community. So far, we have been nailing many good movements, not only on Tesla, but on other stocks as well. So it is about time for you to join us over there. And this charts over here simply destroys one of the most famous arguments that I see around, that, oh, the RSI is too high, so Tesla has to drop. Well, Tesla's price is exactly the same price of June 9, when Tesla's RSI was around 85. Right now, Tesla's RSI is around 59. That's quite curious, right? While the price didn't drop, we see RSI dropping sharply because it feels like Tesla is trying to do a sideways correction instead of an actual sharp price correction. Instead of actually dropping to much lower levels, it seems we are about to do a sideways correction. And honestly, frankly, in my opinion, this is the most desirable movement for Tesla's price right now. Seeing Tesla just doing this, right? Doing some sideways correction above the 21 EMA, dancing around a few support and resistance levels over here before actually going up again. That would be a very nice and easy movement to read. And again, I prefer to see Tesla doing this right now as well, instead of actually dropping to the 217. Of course, if we drop to the 217, Tesla's price will get even cheaper, and that would be an even better opportunity. However, from a risk-reward ratios perspective, I see a sideways movement right now on Tesla as a better scenario before we fly again and retest the $300 next, which is our first target over here. Our long-term target is the all-time high above the $400 over here, but so far it feels like we found a very strong resistance around the gap area. So probably we are going to correct right here, right now, before we seek our next resistance around the $300. Of course, that I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, and this is why it is very important to subscribe, to click the like button if you have been watching this video so far. Come on, you liked the content, so why not click the like button to support me, spread the joy. Thank you very much, my dear friends. I see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.